lot of clients that I work with, when we are ready to deploy a feature to production, I always get asked this question: what happens if something goes wrong? Can we roll back? Well, the answer is, if you really follow the right ALM process, which means that you need to have like few solutions and all your code base in those few solutions, and you deploy these solutions each time, the answer is no. You cannot roll back any changes because the changes that you made will be already in those solutions. So by taking those changes back, that means you will take the solutions out. That means all what you have built all over the years is going to be gone. So if you really follow the right ALM process, you can't roll back. So what is the solution in that case? The solution is, if something goes wrong, you have to fix it. Bring your developers, bring your teams together, have them figure out what has gone wrong, and they need to get to the code, and they need to fix this feature, and they put it in the same solution, upgrade the version, then push it forward. And we call that by roll forward, which means think, fix, and deploy again. Don't take out what has been deployed. The only way that you can roll back, if you have your features are designed in small solutions, which means that every time you deploy solution number 1, feature number 2, solution number 2, feature number 3, solution number 3. But you will end up with hundreds and hundreds of solutions, because every time and every release and every feature you put it in a small solution, and it's not the right ALM process, and it's gonna make it harder to track. If you have any questions, agree or disagree, please let me know. Thank you.